Guys, look at all of the house stuff that we have. I know this says Huggies. It's for my niece's diapers, but we're gonna use it to go ahead and put all this stuff away because we have a lot of stuff, and that's just one side, guys. This is all of our house things. We have more over here. I want to show you guys how I'm gonna pack all of this up. I have these Target bins. Obviously not everything's gonna fit in here, but I want to get started on organizing things. We got two of these big ones. I don't know how much. I think these were like 110 quarts, and then these little ones were 66 quarts. And of course I got more house stuff because I have issues. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do this. The fiance is taking out even more house stuff. Oh babe, we have so much, honestly. So I kind of wanted to go through all this to kind of like get our registry a little bit more accurate, but here comes more house stuff. Wow. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna go through all of this and try to find all of the kitchen things and put them in one bin. So wish me luck.
Cup after cup, yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we love.
Guys, don't know if I ever showed you, but look at our silverware. So we got these. We also got this set from Wayfair. They're like this light pink, like dinnerware set. So we got. Well, this is just the color, but we got 2 sets of these. We have 8 of them. But here are the plates, so they just look like this. Super cute, right? So we got dinner plates and all that stuff.
We fly around like paper planes. We never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us. Still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about the way we are.
Who do you think you are? You say you wanna talk, but all I'm hearing is a monologue. Who do you wanna be? You say you really deep, but I can tell you don't know what that means. You can swim in shallow waters, but it's gonna get you nowhere. And I'm way too good to waste my time on boys like you. Can you speak without a filter? Can you give me something better? I bet you do. Hey baby, if you wanna get to know me, all you gotta do is take me to your heart, yeah. Hey baby, if you want me to be with you, all you gotta do is take me.
Progress so far, guys. It's looking good. Looking good. There's my handsome fiance taping up a box. How do you feel about this, babe? Good.
Progress, cleaning things up, organizing all our stuff.
Yep.
I want to get a tape, but it's really loud.
Okay. Can I go help you?
I'm not the pretty one. I'm neither weak nor dumb, so I don't buy the version of you have. You can swim in shallow water, but it's gonna get you nowhere. And I'm way too good to waste my my time on boys like you.